Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. He's one of my favorite uncles. So today we'll be making some authentic Jamaican pudding. So we're not going to use any mixers or blenders or stove. We're going to do it the traditional way, the way my grandma taught us and the way I want it to be. So let's start. So for the sweet potato pudding, we're going to need 2.5 pounds of sweet potato. Make sure you get the one with a red skin because it makes better sweet potatoes. We're going to use about 1/2 pound of yellow yam, 2 coconuts, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, salt, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and butter. So let's start. So we're gonna start by peeling our sweet potatoes. So now we're just grating the potatoes. But be careful when you grate because the graters are sharp and you don't want to get little blisters on your finger. But if it's easy for you to use a mixer or blender, you can go ahead and use it. But because it's a traditional way, I rather. So Dalbert, what you have in the cup there? What's in that cup?
Coconut water with a good old white rum.
What? Of course.
Good to go.
So now it's time for us to break the coconuts. Amazing. So this is the authentic way to make your sweet potato pudding. So what I'm actually doing is breaking the coconut to grate it. So this is all natural, no coconut powder, no coconut milk, all natural, store-bought. But if you don't have the natural coconut, you can buy it in the supermarket. You can buy the canned or the powder, it's just the same.
It's not original.
Original coconut.
Powder no make it.
So you hear what Dalbert say? Powder and make it.
Powder don't make it. Use the original coconut. You get more flavor from the original coconuts.
Great.
This one don't make it. The original is best. Best in the West.
Best in the West Indies?
Yeah.
What?
You eat this, this pudding here, you this pudding here, you buy your 10 finger and lick your tongue. So delicious and nice. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
Jamaican style.
So now I'm grating my coconut, guys. And I have my uncle on the other side doing the sweet potato. So when we were small and growing up, we used to put sugar inside of this and eat it for snacks. It was really nice. As you get older and you're watching calories and for health purpose, can I do the same thing? So this is the sweet potato almost finished. So this is how my potato looks after it have been grated. Look at the texture. And my coconut milk. So I already blend and strain it. And this is to just add some texture to the pudding. So this will be a part of the dry ingredients. So now I'm going to combine go ahead and combine all my ingredients to form the dough. So I'm adding the nutmeg. You don't need to add a whole nutmeg, so I'm just using probably half of the nutmeg. Okay, that's great. Now we're gonna add the coconut shavings. So this is to give the pudding a little texture. What else we're gonna add now, Delbert? So we're gonna add the flour. So we're gonna do it a little bit at a time. And make sure you mix it up because you don't want the flour to be too lumpy. And now we're going to add the cornmeal. Then the sugar. You're gonna add more flour too. Okay. And we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Good. You know, guys, you can eat this already. It smells as if it's already been baked. So So we're gradually adding the ingredients according to the consistency of the dough. We don't want it to be too soft and we don't want it to be too runny, just right. So now we're gonna add some coconut milk. Some cinnamon powder, about a teaspoon. So this is what my batter looks like after I've added all ingredients. It's not too soft and not too hard, just a perfect consistency. So I've already greased my baking dish. And I'm gonna take you outside to show you how we make a Jamaican traditional wood fire. So let's go. So now this is how we make wood fire. So we just find some paper, newspaper and plastic, and we have some coconut shell that we put in it to blaze up the fire. So now this is it, guys. It's on the pot, baking. You can see the charcoal at the top and the charcoal at the bottom. The pot is in the middle, so this is why they say hella top, hella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle. So the potato is the hallelujah and the hell is the fire. So this will take 1.5 hours to bake, but trust me, this is the best way you can do your potato pudding, your sweet potato pudding. So I'll keep coming back to check on it to make sure it's not burned. You don't want to put too much coal, too much fire. It should be on low heat so it bakes evenly and consistently without burning. So this is how it's looking. So this is it. My traditional authentic Jamaican sweet potato pudding. It's looking really good. It has a nice texture, nice color. So thanks for watching my video. Please share and leave a comment. Subscribe. Press that notification bell. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.